Here we divide 765 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 6 and it is 26. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 0. So 765 divided by 5 is 153. So this much for today and thanks for watching.